Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Jeep Wrangler garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console or sun visor. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition on. You will also need your original garage door opener remote control handy for the programming process. This guide covers the essential steps for a successful setup. To begin, you'll need to clear any existing programming from your home link system. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously. Continue holding them until the indicator light, typically located above the buttons, begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that all previous codes have been successfully erased, preparing the system for new programming. This step is crucial for a clean start. Now, let's program your home link using your remote. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your garage door remote button. Release both buttons only when the home link indicator light flashes rapidly. This rapid flash signifies successful programming of the fixed code. For rolling code systems, there's an extra step. First, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually on the back. Press and release this button. You then have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Jeep. Inside the vehicle, firmly press and release the newly programmed home link button 3 times. This final action synchronizes your Jeep with the rolling code system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.